In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung Keyboard 30500 to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which device you have, either an iPhone or an Android smartphone, you can easily set up and use your Samsung 30500 keyboard. This keyboard is designed to be connected over Bluetooth, and it can be connected to 3 devices simultaneously. So if you have a laptop where you also use this keyboard, you don't have to worry about disconnecting it altogether. First, on your phone, make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled. So head over into the settings, go to the Bluetooth category, and enable Bluetooth from here. Once Bluetooth has been enabled on your phone, now you need to set up the actual keyboard in pairing mode. This will be done by pressing one of these 3 buttons that I've highlighted here. So either F7, F8, or F9. You can notice that each of them have a number attached. So you can connect different devices to each of them. For example, you can have your iPhone on the first one, a laptop on the second one, and so on. So press and hold any of these keys. I recommend pressing F7 if you have never paired it up with another device before. Once you press down and hold any of these keys for a few seconds, it will go into pairing mode. You might see the LED blink. And now you can look under the list of other available devices. You should be able to find the Samsung keyboard listed here. With the Samsung keyboard here, just tap on it and it will remain connected until it either runs out of battery or you power it off. So it is super simple to set up and use. Double check to see if you included all the batteries if it is not working, and check to see if it is powered on through the power switch at the side. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing because as you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.